What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to another trade recap. I haven't done one of these in a while, actually, and I kind of wanted to kick this off by just celebrating me reopening my Discord. These are all trades that I alerted in the Discord, full alerts. I want to do this, but I'm probably going to raise the prices soon. You can get in right now for $29 a month. Like, bro, that is so fucking, I don't even know what to say. At least go check out the free version. There's so much to get. I'm going to be doing a giveaway next week early on. And of course, all these trades were taken on Tradeify. They just dropped a 40% off sale. Go over there, use code STEPH. Let's fucking go. Let's get right to the recap, and I'm going to show you guys how systematic this shit is. And if you didn't watch the video yesterday, why you should go watch it. Now, what is the thing I literally preach nonstop in every single one of my videos is, again, thinking about it from the perspective of every single trade, it's either going to go up or down 50-50. We can use stuff to shift that advantage towards us to give us a slight edge. That's exactly what I did in this trade. Market's moving like absolute crap. You can see the price action, not good. Price action before was and after was horrible. Came into the session with a nice little sell-off, and we started to reclaim that buy up in the early mornings. And as the afternoon kind of skewed in, we just started to chop. Understanding that this was our range of consolidation at this very point for the last pretty much 2 hours, you know, we were kind of stuck in this area. After I saw this candle close here, I decided to jump in with a stop loss here and to take profit here. Now, once again, bringing that back up, we are looking at maybe potentially just, again, hypothetically a 50-50. When you always see big move up followed by consolidation, again, this is like super basic textbook stuff. Majority of the time, again, it's not 100%, but it will always more than likely continue back up the direction it was moving prior. That's just a simple bull flag, you know, basic analogy. So looking at the prior trend being obviously bullish, this consolidation here, just again, it's more than likely to go up rather than down. Then at that point, if you believe in that, your stop loss should be at the bottom of the consolidation and your take profit at the top of the consolidation. And pretty much right after we got in the trade that happened, again, we got a little lucky. Like, this isn't the exact response I was looking for, but a really nice dub. I think we caught like 6 points on that, which was right after this trade that we took earlier in that morning session. You guys can see if I go right over here, you can see we all just right there. Came into the afternoon, the night before we were dumping like crazy, and then markets start to open up, and then we start to see nice buys come in. I was looking for a continuation down off of this rejection right here. You guys know I love the EMA stuff. I love to see price come down, retrace to that EMA, make a high, and then go even lower, set our stop loss here, take profit at this low. For some reason, I never ever do this. Like, this is just one of those times where this, again, like, I like to trade off my intuition. When I have a gut feeling about something, I usually just go with it. And for some reason, I decided to take out this break even for us. I don't know why. I don't know. Again, I can't give you any information on that, but it shows that we got stopped out here. We actually closed this out for break even. We saw like 5 points in profit, which was nice, but once it came back up, I just kind of had a bad feeling. And we weren't wrong. Like, this literally went to hit take profit. We would have got wicked out of this. So still a really solid trade, but just really unfortunate that, you know, we just got in a little too early, but again, we didn't lose anything there. So after that, I kind of stopped myself at break even, understood price action was kind of moving a little crazy, took a break, and then we took that trade later in the afternoon and actually made our money for the day. Now, this is the trade we just took this morning. By the way, good morning, guys. I'm recording this early on Friday. Actually, this is going to get posted on Saturday, so nah, I'll post it later today. Fuck it. We had a ginormous sell-off last night, followed by in the overnights, just picking right back up to where we were. Trend right now, though, you guys can see, very bullish. We eventually hit a high, started to reclaim those sells, and we saw some pretty strong input to the sell side. Once we made this low, it kind of gave me an idea of a higher low opportunity, maybe push back up to this high. Then we saw some big buys come through, and then I just played the retracement off this EMA, jumped in right here at this candle close on the 3 minute. Not my favorite entry ever, and I don't want to say it was a force, but it definitely wasn't an A+ setup. And that's different for me because you guys know I usually like to when I alert my trades in the Discord, like, they are supposed to be A++. I'm not going for crazy moves. I'm not going for these insane ones. I'm trying to get you guys consistent plays that make you money. And while yes, we did that, but this one was pretty risky. I went ahead and gave us a 7-point stop with a half size just because I figured that was enough room to maybe see the move we wanted to see. And a rare negative RR trade, but once we saw the 5 points, I just decided to take the W, especially because we literally almost hit TP by like 1 tick, then came all the way back down, and I kind of was just like, whatever, let's just close that at this high. Still moving up right now, but again, pretty happy with that. It is a little bit later into the morning session. You guys don't even know, I don't even like to trade morning. So the fact that we caught a dub in the morning session after not taking one last night feels great, especially on a Friday. You know, you're not trying to make or break your week. You're trying to make a little bit more, make a little bit less, whatever. And we did that to a T. Then we go over to this one. This one's probably the worst trade of the week, bro. Absolutely brutal. Really bullish all afternoon. Not the best price action ever, but we're seeing big move up, consolidation, big move up, consolidation, big move up, consolidation, big move up. And I wanted to see that consolidation again and then the breakout, but we just got stuck in consolidation for 2.5 hours. And then the worst absolute part is we actually closed out for 1 point, you guys see right here. And then gold ripped and we would hit TP like literally right after market closed. And if you guys don't know, prop firms will close you out right at the market close at 5 p.m. Then you can obviously get back in at 7, but we did get stopped out right here for 1 point, and then markets open back up and fucking rip. So GG. But again, one of those trades where we saw what we wanted to see, we just didn't have enough time to stay in it. Again, I would have stayed in this, but the markets forced us out because the market closed. And once again, big move up, consolidation, big move up, consolidation, big move up, consolidation, big move up, consolidation, followed by the big move up. Like, it was there, everything was right, but we just didn't make any money on it. But we still profited technically like $100, so we take that. And this was the best trade that we took on the week, so I'm pretty happy with this one. Wasn't my best technical setup ever, but again, one of those times when you're using your intuition, you're just watching previous price action, you know, kind of running it through your Rolodex in your mind of the things you've seen and things you haven't seen. Very bearish so far through the open. This was actually right at market open almost. You see pre-market, we're selling off on gold, we're we're seeing some buys and we're getting crushed. We're seeing some buys, we're getting crushed. Seeing buys right here behind this picture, getting crushed. After we broke this low, I just decided to jump in for shorts with a stop loss at the top of this 5-minute candle. Super tight stop, you know, just kind of just setting a little bit of a risk. And it just basically ran. Like I remember I called this out and like it hit TP within like 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, that would make sense. It's a 5-minute time frame, but like we were just never down in this trade, which is really nice to see. You know, I was very happy. I was very content with it, but I know some people didn't get in on it because it got, you know, just kind of started to drop right as we go. Overall, a really, really good week. I did take a loss, but I'm not including it because it was low-key just like a gamble trade, and I literally announced that in the alert. We did get stopped at that though, but all of these trades that I did take today in these were, again, we're all alerted. You guys saw the screenshots. I really want you guys to get in there. I'm trying to build this community back up. I'm trying to support you guys. I'm trying to help you guys grow this. And again, I think I'm going to raise the price soon because like it's just not like, bro, it's worth a lot more. But I want to give you guys an opportunity to get in there, so please feel free to. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I'm trying to get one out every single day so far. I've been going crazy with the upload, so I'm just trying to keep the repetition up. So I appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Please be safe. We'll talk soon. You guys know what it is. Have a good weekend. Later.